All right, it's 11 p.m. and we are ready to go. It's gonna take 1 hour to get there, driving through the mountains. See you later.
Let's do it. There's a lot of people today, like they're also going to the top. So, but we are the first on the line because the guy said just go. And then, so what time is now? Now is
12:10.
It's 12. So we're starting at 12, midnight. Yeah.
Let's do it.
See you later.
We made it to summit. Well, any comments, Elliott?
It was hard.
That was really, really hard. Background light is just yellow. We're gonna drink coffee. So, coffee crater. You're drinking coffee?
Yeah.
Shivering.
I'm wet.
So the plan was to get up there. We didn't manage it because simply we were not able to find the trail. The sun is rising on my back. The view is just incredible as always. Elliott is really impressed. So yeah, I already said that we didn't manage to that point, but we are definitely higher than what I did previously. The sun started to reflecting on this face, and I think that's the most incredible during the sunrise. We can clearly see Rinjani, and the Rinjani actually looks like a part of Bali at the moment. Still smoking. The weather is freezing, it's about 12 degrees. The coffee helps, but not too much. It took me a while to boil the water because I think it was cooling down faster than heating up. You know, it's like Agung is always like you come here, and I'm always wondering why the people don't have that many photos. And now I actually know, because simply they forget about everything because they managed to come up. They are too tired. They forget about the cameras, about everything. And then finally they have only a few photos, and that's it. There is a shadow now. See? The reality is the same with expectations.
Yeah. My expectations were pretty high though. So it's reached my expectations.
What about hike? You thought it will be better, like a trail or whatever.
Yeah. I thought that was going to be a trail.
It was just
I didn't think it was going to be.
just look at that. That's what Elliott is talking about, right? There is no trail at all. There is just the markings, like a white circle with a red middle.
It's loose rock.
Really loose.
I'm struggling not to slide down right now.
What about your legs?
They're okay now, they were jelly.
Or jelly?
I need to get my shirt back at some stage.
Oh yeah, the shirt slided down. No, we cannot get it just because it's, look at this. If you step and then you just fly.
I don't know if the camera does it justice, but I can't stand up correctly.
I will get you that shirt. It's not that bad. That background looks really good. You and the summit.
Summit I'm meant to be on.
Summit and you. We got lost. We just went a little bit wrong, and finally the guys who overtook us just because they went with a guide. So they said, "Hey guys, you are in the wrong place, so you have to come up here." So then we lost a lot of time to find where is this, like a guy said, doors, right? There was like, he said there should be marking. We didn't find the marking. Finally we were climbing up like the cliff. Okay, we got up. So finally we started following that markings. We were so happy to see these markings, but then it was like we saw 1, 2 marking and then lost another one in the middle. So finally I was starting looking at a map. In a map is also like, you know, it looks like we are on a map, but we are like 20 meters away from the, you have to understand it's just a field. It's like, I would not be surprised if there are potatoes growing. But so it is really challenging. Finally I understand where this trail is. So there is another trail, which comes from Bisaki, and this trail is connecting to the Bisaki trail.
I have to get up there.
Yeah, and another peak we have to get up is East Peak. East Peak is the one I'm showing you at the moment. East Peak is where the sun is rising up, and that's the first of all that's really close to Amed. It's like I already said in one of the episodes, it's only 30-minute drive, and the trail starts from 950 meters above the sea level, and it's green. This one is like on a, I don't know, like on a Mars or Moon or whatever, right? But yeah, it's definitely not really human-friendly environment. One of the little bit more up, and then just come up a little bit. Pretty massive, right? Everything here looks really massive. Looks really impressive from this side. A little bit sun starts to become warmer for us. I'm here, standing here. We just saw the people going up just now, just to make you understand. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and they just went up. They said how many peaks they doing?
3 a day.
3 a day.
3 days.
3 days, 3 a day, it's 9 peaks. So that means they will do Elliott Martin Peak as well, right? Happy birthday, Tonya!
Thank you, Martin and Elliott!
It actually looks like a snow. I mean the lava flow. It looks like, where's your skis? Yeah. So conclusion is that we have to do it again. Elliott, when are we gonna do that again?
In a month.
In a month? Okay. When we will go, we will be more prepared. I'm absolutely sure we will get lost again, but at least we know some references. So yeah, so that's our plan. Approaching temple. We did it. Elliott, how's your knees?
Killing me.
Killing?
Killing. Everything else is fine though.
Yeah, knees. Always knees. The biggest problem for everyone. Because sometimes people are really strong and going up really fast, but when they're coming down, because of the knees, they are dead. Beautiful, beautiful temple, beautiful Agung. Look at Elliott. The last steps to the parking place and we'll be there now. Look at this. So yeah. Great we did it. No regrets. Felt really strong. Just so now just going home, take a bit rest, and thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, Instagram and Facebook, links below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
С днем рождения тебя, с днем рождения, дорогая Тоня, с днем рождения тебя.